Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one, go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by x squared minus 2 and y squared plus 2. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about y equals to the square root of number 2 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dy. We do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I need to put this one go in here. Y we change by this one. This one we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. So this one we change secant of t square. We simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So we have the square root of number 2 over 2 dt. So this one we will have about t. About t, that's it about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. So we need to change t into this one. And this is the answer for this integration. Now we go to the second one. For this one, number 2, we can write into the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. This one, that's it about identity. So we can write into s minus the square root of number 2 multiplied by s plus the square root of number 2. So in this situation, I will put about 2 with the square root of number 2 on numerator and denominator, because I want to create about the factor in here. This one, that is about the square root of number 2 plus the square root of number 2. So I will add about s. That means we need to minus about s. So for this one, that's it about s minus the square root of number 2. Next, this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we will have about negative 1 over s plus the square root of number 2 plus 1 over s minus the square root of number 2 ds. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s plus the square root of number 2. And the second one, we have s minus the square root of number 2. And we put about c in here. Now we go back to this one. So for this one, that is about this one. And this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.